Are you a bigger guy? Are you a taller guy? Well, you're gonna wanna look at this oversized camping chair right here. This camping chair, I would say, is for your taller people and your bigger people. Look at all this right now. It's not thin, right? Like your cheap chairs right here are gonna have that thin little metal. No, this is reinforced metal right here and all throughout. You can see that. It's thicker. It's gonna hold the weight a lot more. And so if you're a taller guy or a bigger person, or I would probably even say maybe an older and in your senior years, this chair is gonna be perfect for you because it sits higher. You're not sitting down in the chair. I'm just gonna give you an example right here. Look how high I'm sitting right here. And so with this being high, I can easily grab these handles and help me get up, right? And so that is great for a stand assist. Where conversely, if I have this chair right here, I'm gonna sit really low. You see how I'm sitting a lot lower and it's hugging me, which is great. It's just fine. But I'm a lot lower, so my knees are almost a lot higher. So if I'm taller, my knees are gonna be like this, and so it's gonna cause me to have a little bit harder to get out of. So where the trade-off is, this is big and tall, it's comfortable, and you're gonna be able to sit in it while you're camping and enjoy the outdoors. This cup holder right here, I would probably say it's one of those where you're just gonna get a can in here because it has a plastic ring around here. It's gonna get a can, you're not gonna be able to get a big thing in there, but they do compensate that for kind of like a cooler, right? Where you can throw a little bit of ice in here and then you can throw your drink down in there. Now, if you're not using that for a drink, you can use it for a cell phone place as well. So it's up to you. It's just, it gives you a couple different options, a smaller can drink holder or a insulated cooler slash phone holder area right there. I would probably say that if you are an individual that's bigger, taller, or up there in their years, like me, maybe a little older, yeah, this is gonna help you to get in and out and enjoy your camping trip just that much more. Because honestly, when you're camping, you don't wanna have to worry about getting out of a chair. You wanna enjoy the outdoors. And in my opinion, a taller, bigger chair like this might just help you enjoy the outdoors a little bit more.